big pieces of lands, they are for construction of residential house, 11,000, 10,000, 29,000 construction of a house, and people have constructed multi-storied buildings, residential complexes. They don't get the title according to these Communidades laws. It is a long term. Aframento is a long term lease. Code of Communidades is a long term lease. So I can understand tenanted land as a problem na. It is used for cultivation. I don't have any problem there. It is not possible. So
you ask a question.
Will you conduct a detailed inquiry into this?
Speaker sir,
आणि stop आणि मुखार असे जाता जाल्यार you stop.
Speaker sir, I'd like to assure the honorable opposition leader that I'll make an inquiry into this and get back to you on this.
Speaker sir, honorable opposition leader जो विषय काढला पळय न्ही, अफ्रामेत जर कोणाक अलाउड केल्लो 400 स्क्वेअर मिटराचो प्लॉट 500 स्क्वेअर मिटराचो प्लॉट तांच्यांनी जर दुसऱ्याक विकला आणि ताजेर जर बिल्डिंग्स येयले आसत जाल्यार ताजेर इन्क्वायरी करपाक जाय. ताजी गरज आसा, हांव सरळ सांगता. आणि ताजी आणि हेन्स फोर्थ तर हे चलचें ना,
बंद करपाक जाय.
आणि हे सगळें म्हणजे इट इज टोटली इल्लीगल. म्हाका दिसता ताका खंयचे एप्रुवल मेळटा आसतलें अशें. कितल्यो ज्यो आसा पळय न्ही अफ्रामेताच्यो कोणी ट्रान्सफर करून जर केल्या आसत न्ही ती चवकशी करपाक लायता आणि हेन्स फोर्थ तर बंद करपाक लायता.